Today we are looking at a Haines Engineering large high-capacity screener. This unit was primarily set up for soybean split removal for export. This unit is in exceptional shape. We are going to go over the shipping dimensions of the unit. The unit is 122 inches in length. It is 100 inches in height to those lift points there, and it is 66 inches wide. This unit has 10.5 by 3/4 cross slot and slotted screens. You can see they are in excellent shape. Here's a look inside the machine. The machine is still shiny as it was just removed from a running facility. The unit has this top here. We have it removed. There is a dent here in the top and some scuffing on the paint, but nothing that will affect operation of the unit. We're going to go over the inlet height here and the outlet height of the machine. We have 72 inches from the concrete to the inlet here. We have 18.5 inches on the screened material. And then we have 45 inches from the material that stays inside the screening chamber. This unit is equipped with a 1.5 horsepower, 3-phase ball-door electric motor. We're going to run the unit for you now. This unit has also been equipped with fork channels for ease of movement. Here you can see we have the unit running for you now. Unit starts strong, runs strong, no irregular noises. This unit is ready to go to work. It's a very heavy-duty, high-capacity screening system. This unit was used for removing splits out of soybeans, but the screens are readily available and can be changed for several different crops. This unit also has a market in screening lighter aggregate, compost, things of that nature. You can really dial these machines in, change the screen size to whatever you are needing to screen. This unit is readily available through us here at Commodity Traders International. For all other seed, feed, grain, recycling, and research equipment, please reach out to us. A link to our website will be in the video description down below. Thank you for watching.